Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we will go through how to create a wall in FreeCAD, so let's get straight into it. Now this approach is ideal for precise parametric control over your architectural layouts. So yeah, let's head over into our FreeCAD. Now what we need to do is we need to switch basically the workbench. So we will do that like that you go here at the top section here, toolbars, and you will see something. I see here teach draw. So if we click on that, we have bunch of options. So if you have one of them, uh, still click on that, because we will select this one right here, BIM. So this one we need. You will see like brick wall icon next to it. Now what we need to do basically is when I doing an wall, I do simply just like that I choose here where you see these tools with yellow dots. I select rectangle, and now here on the left side you will see that we can select basically X, Y, Z. So these are our dimensions, just like that. Globally Y, I will put it, let's say something like that, and Z 15. All right, and again I will do it the same with this one, just like that. And now you can see that we have here small rectangle. So now what we can do, I can choose this one again. So let me select. All right, now what I can do here, I can change this length, that it's a little bit more. So let's go with 50 then. Okay, I will also fix this one just like that. All right, now what we can do, make sure that you have selected this rectangle. Now to draw a wall, what we need to do is we will go right over here to the right side where you see these yellow icons again, and you will see it right here, the wall. So just click on that, and basically what we did, as you can see, we created from this rectangle a wall. Now this one is a little bit too big, so I will try to fix that. So if you click on wall now, we can now select the height, block length, and so on. So as you can see, height is right here, not ideal, so I will go with 50, just like that, or we can put 100 as we wish. And yeah, width, we can fix also the width, so let's go with 500, just like that. All right, now let's take a look what we get. So as you can see, we have nice wall right over here, as you can see. And yeah, this is pretty much what you can do now with this. Basically, this is how you can make a wall, and now you can go further from here and make something out of it. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.